Hey guys, I just want to say before this video starts, all the bad things that I said that may be offensive, I didn't mean them in any way. I was just getting really annoyed, so don't take it the wrong way. I'm not being offensive, so don't take it the wrong way. I was just really angry, so please don't be offended by the bad words. And yeah, see you guys at the video. Okay, we're playing Flappy Bird for a second time. Yes, no. Let's do this. Come on, come on. I believe in you. I believe in you, Mr. Fappy. Yeah, we're playing Fappy Bird. Okay. I'm done fapping. Fap you! You absolute fapping bitch. You're a fapping fap. Gonna fap! I'm gonna fap real hard! Fap it! There's gonna be RIP keyboard when I'm done with this. Oh, come on. I can beat my best. Threes sucks. My friend got to 35. 2. Okay, I'm focusing. No. Focus, 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 focus. Dick, 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 wagga, 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 faggot. Wagga, wagga, faggot. Faggot. I'm not playing anymore. Sorry, I'm just